If there is anything that this present COVID-19 pandemic has taught us, it is that online is the new normal. Everyone is trying to stay sane indoors, and the easiest way is to use social media. Do you know that for every action you carry out on social media, someone somewhere is having his or her account credited? Why not get other people to pay you as well? It is not just enough to scroll aimlessly on social media or to stay updated with current happenings. You need to use your time on social media to make money. Because I care about you, I will show you 9 ways which you can use to make money from your social media platforms. 1. Logo designing. Business owners are beginning to see that to get maximum benefits from their business today, they have to establish their presence online. And to create their existence on the internet to build their brand company's logo is highly essential. As a result, logo designers are in high demand. And the truth is that not every graphic designer is a logo designer. Logo designing is quite tedious, and many designers are not willing to learn it. However, it has reason to become one of the most lucrative aspects of graphic design. To excel in this venture, alongside becoming a badass designer with excellent knowledge of colors and shapes, you must possess good organizational skills, as well as ability to pay proper attention to details. Through your social media platforms, you can sell your skills to business owners and earn up to $100 for just one design. 2. Copywriting. Copywriting is a lucrative skill in social media. It involves writing sales ads and posting for brands and businesses on various social media platforms for advertising products or services or raising brand awareness. Copywriters also write other marketing materials like websites, emails, brochures, catalogs, and more. A copywriter either works for an agency or freelance. However, most copywriters on social media are freelance copywriters. Freelance copywriting is a cushy job because you can work from home and at flexible hours. You can start up copywriting with little or no formal education and with no investment, just your smartphone or your PC. 3. Instagram influencer. An Instagram influencer is an individual that has a large following on Instagram. To start up as an influencer on Instagram, you have to consistently share content on your page to build an audience on Instagram. An Instagram influencer can persuade others based on his or her authenticity and credibility developed over time. Based on the trust that you have created, many businesses will pay you to make you their brand ambassadors, with the aim that your audience will patronize them. They will also seek to make advertisements on your Instagram page because of your broad audience. 4. Social media marketer. Social media marketing is the use of social media platforms and websites to promote a product or service. A social media marketer must be able to use various media tools to raise brand awareness, carry out campaigns, and sell products on social media platforms. Social media marketers also use digital tools to track campaigns and analyze engagements. The major social media platforms at the moment are Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest, YouTube, and Snapchat. One primary tool used for social media marketing is Buffer. For you to be an exceptional social media marketer, you must learn and master 5 main pillars of social media marketing and other aspects of social media marketing, and also get acquainted with social media marketing tools. 5. Content writing. A content writer is someone who specializes in providing relevant written content for brands and businesses. These contents are used on blogs or websites or social media platforms of these brands. Content writing covers the process of planning, writing, and editing content. Although no formal requirement is needed to be a content writer, an excellent command of the English language is prerequisite. To excel as a content writer, you must be an avid reader and a good researcher. Also, knowledge about search engine optimization is vital for you because it will enable you to use relevant keywords for write-ups. 6. YouTube channel. Do you know that every minute more than 500 hours of videos are uploaded on YouTube? Well, this should not come as a shock. because YouTube has over 2 billion users, almost 1/3 of all the people on the planet. Do you post a lot of funny animal videos that go viral on other media platforms? You might be able to make some income by joining the YouTube Partner Program, in which you allow Google to place ads at the beginning of your videos. Creating a YouTube channel is a pretty easy task, and all you need is your Google address. To start up as a YouTuber, you must educate, inform, or entertain. Choose a niche and float your channel with beautiful videos in your niche. For you to start making money on YouTube, you have to enable monetization in your YouTube account settings. From there, you have options to join the YouTube Partners Program or have your videos listed on YouTube Premium. 7. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing, as defined by Wikipedia, is a type of performance-based marketing in which a business rewards one or more affiliates for each visitor or customer brought by the affiliate marketing's effort. It is the process of earning a commission by promoting other people's products or services. As a social media affiliate marketer, your job is to advertise the products of other companies on your social media account. You can be a marketer for big online stores like Amazon, Jumia, etc. For every customer that buys the products through you, a specific percentage is given to you. To be successful in affiliate marketing, you must have an excellent salesmanship and communication skills. 8. Consultancy. You can also use your expertise to own your consultancy business, and in that process, grow other corporations through the knowledge you dish out to them. All over the world, tons of people are looking to get insight into the area of your expertise. You can become a consultant in any field, from business to finance to parenting, even hair care products and technology. To get started, determine your niche and the media platform you would love to use. Afterwards, render a few free consultations to your friends in your area of expertise. You can create an online forum and ask clients to fill after every session so that you can track your progress and know the areas to improve. 9. Webinar hosting. This has become a popular way to make money on Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, and other social media platforms. Webinars are online conferences or presentations that are held online to inform, educate, entertain, market, network, or even interview. People use various methods to host their webinars. You can either teach your audience on a particular subject or get guest speakers. Globalization has made it easy for hosts to have international speakers and participants on their webinars. To get started, you may organize a free program and get people to purchase your paid course, get your ebook, or even buy your products at the end. Or you may decide to attach a flat price from the beginning. To run a successful webinar, you must be able to deliver the promise you made on your flyers, and be sure to use visuals and graphics to engage your audience. Many people have quit, and many others are planning to leave their day jobs because they have seen that they can make more money from the comfort of their homes via their social media accounts. Even if you have a high-paying job, you need passive income, and social media can afford you that opportunity.